Welcome to our channel. Today we how to budget with Bitbucket easy tutorial step by step clearly. Open your Bitbucket account and log in. Navigate to your repository where you want to create a budget. Click on the Issues tab in the left sidebar. Select the Create Issue button to start a new budget task. In the title field, enter a clear name for your budget item, such as Monthly Marketing Budget. In the description box, outline the details. Assign the issue to a team member responsible for managing that budget. Set a due date for when the budget needs to be prepared. Add any relevant labels, such as budget or financial planning, to organize your issue efficiently. Hit the Create button to save the new budget issue. To track expenses, return to the Issues tab and look for the budget item you just created. Click on the budget issue to open it. In the Comments section, regularly update expenses as they occur. Use the checklist feature to keep track of budget categories and their status. Encourage team members to comment on the budget for collaboration and feedback. Periodically review the budget issue to ensure all expenses are aligned with your financial plan. Once the budget period is over, use the Done option to close the task. Consider creating a summary report in Bitbucket to analyze financial performance against the budget. Share this report with your team for further insights and future planning. By following these steps, you can effectively budget and track expenses using Bitbucket. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.